Circumference of a circle. So when we have a circle, the length of the bounding line is what we consider to be the circumference. The circumference of a circle is the distance around the circle. So circumference is the special name given to perimeter in the case of a circle. The circumference, C, of a circle is given by the formula C equals 2 pi r. And remember our algebra here. That means 2 times pi times r. By algebraic convention, we've left out the multiplication signs, where r is the radius of the circle. Now, if you think about 2 times r, that's the diameter. So alternatively, you can use pi times diameter. Although I tend always to use 2 times pi times r. We want to find the circumference of the following circles to the nearest integer using the pi button on the calculator. So if the radius is 7, the circumference we know is 2 times pi times r. So that's going to be 2 times pi times 7. So we need the calculator. So we're going to do 2 times. To get pi, we press shift and then the times 10 to the x button at the bottom here. That gives us a pi, and you can see the pi appears in the view screen. Times 7. And so that is 43.982. And so on. But it wanted it to the nearest integer, and so that is going to be 44 centimeters to the nearest integer. The radius is 5. We just do 2 times pi times 5. I can actually edit this on the calculator. All I need to do is press my back button there, and then I'll go and find the 7 and just change it to a 5. And I get 31.41 and so on. And so that is 31, and that is in meters, correct to the nearest integer. Now finally, with a diameter of 12, I could use the pi d formula that I talked about, but normally what I would do is say that means that the radius is 6. And then I've got c is 2 times pi times 6. And again, I could edit that on the calculator. I'll just do it again. So 2 times shift pi times 6. 37.699 and so on. And so that is 38 millimeters to the nearest integer.